December 2012, there was a brutal gang rape in Delhi, which became famous not only in India but around the globe. It was a horrifying incident that shocked the world and which ended up with the girl being dead 13 days after due to her injuries. Rape as a subject is very important for me. I find rape to be incredibly disgusting and horrible, and it's more than relevant in today's Indian society where rape generally is taken so lightly and it's taken for granted. I remember not being able to sleep for many nights, and I kept thinking about the girl and the incident, and I kept trying to to imagine what it it could be. It was horrifying. They had put a metal pole in her vagina which destroyed her intestines. The script came out of a short story I had written a couple of years ago, and this is my first step towards telling stories about something that is very dear to me, very important to me, which I feel people in India should understand. We didn't have a lot of resources to shoot this film. We didn't have lights. We were just using whatever natural light that was coming through the windows, and we had this one LED panel that we uh, bounced off the ceiling for some fill. One of the difficult scenes to shoot was the kicking scene. Space was the space was less in the room, and we was just trying to figure out how to shoot this and make it look as realistic as possible. You can't actually kick the person, can you? But we still needed to have that amount of emotion and that amount of believability in the action of kicking her. The actors did a tremendous job of acting out that scene. Also, emotionally, it was kind of everyone was charged, and it was kind of emotionally it was a tense atmosphere. The it could anything could happen, accidents could happen, he could kick her accidentally, and stuff like that, but I was quite happy with how that particular scene turned out in the end. When I bought the Rode mic around 1.5 years ago, uh, it it was one of my most precious buys. I've used this mic in a lot of my documentaries, and I must say it has served me really, really well. Like, we've been into the most crowded Cambodian markets and the most crowded Indian streets, and this has picked up the voices of my characters really well. Finally, filmmaking is about telling stories, and it's quite amazing that we are able to make people emotional, and I think it's practice in the end. It's just making film after film after film to get that perfection where you know exactly how to make people cry, how to make people laugh, and that's what our main ambition and main target is, uh, to tell stories better. I hope you enjoy the film I've made. Invested I hope you've invested your time wisely in watching this film, and I hope at the end of the day you take away with you something after watching the film, on some level, some emotional level or intellectual level, or just plain entertainment in the end. So thanks a lot for watching my film.
I'm gonna fall.